Hello and welcome to Mr. Darkman TV. I'm your host, Zainab Sabir. Before we dive into today's compelling story, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. In the heart of West Africa, a transformative wave is reshaping the landscape of beauty pageants. The Miss Côte d'Ivoire 2025 competition has ignited a fervent discourse by banning wigs, weaves, and hair extensions during its pre-selection stages. This bold move aims to celebrate natural African beauty and authenticity, challenging long-standing norms within the pageant industry. For decades, beauty pageants in Côte d'Ivoire mirrored Western ideals, with contestants often donning long, flowing wigs and elaborate weaves. These artificial enhancements were perceived as the epitome of glamour and sophistication. However, this reliance on synthetic beauty standards overshadowed the rich diversity of natural African aesthetics. The catalyst for this paradigm shift can be traced back to Merlenkeni Koyossi, who clinched the Miss Côte d'Ivoire title in 2022. Adorned with her short, natural hair, Koyossi's victory was a groundbreaking moment, challenging entrenched perceptions of beauty. Her triumph underscored the allure of authenticity and set the stage for a broader movement toward embracing natural features. In January 2025, the Miss Côte d'Ivoire Organizing Committee, led by President Victor Yapobi, announced the prohibition of wigs, weaves, and hair extensions in the competition's preliminary stages. Yapobi emphasized the desire to showcase raw beauty, encouraging contestants to present themselves in their natural state. This initiative seeks to redefine beauty standards, promoting self-acceptance and cultural pride. The new regulations have elicited a spectrum of reactions. Some contestants, like 21-year-old real estate agent Emanuela Dali, expressed enthusiasm, viewing the change as an opportunity to embrace their natural hair with pride. Dali remarked, "This rule gives me more pride as a woman, as an African woman." Conversely, others, such as 24-year-old makeup artist Astrid Meneka, initially felt apprehensive, being avid fans of wigs. Meneka admitted, "I didn't expect this rule. But now, I like my hair, and that's okay." Beyond individual sentiments, the policy shift carries significant economic implications. Côte d'Ivoire's hair industry, valued at over $300 million annually, heavily relies on the sale of wigs and weaves. Hairdressers like Angesi, operating in Delo, voiced concerns about potential business downturns, noting that many women favor wigs, and the new rule could adversely affect their livelihoods. This movement aligns with a broader global trend advocating for the appreciation of natural hair among Black women. Historically, societal pressures and professional environments often stigmatized natural hairstyles, deeming them unprofessional. The resurgence of the natural hair movement challenges these biases, fostering a culture of acceptance and redefining beauty norms. Critically analyzing this development, the Miss Côte d'Ivoire pageant's decision reflects a conscious effort to decolonize beauty standards. By prioritizing natural aesthetics, the pageant confronts the pervasive influence of Eurocentric ideals and champions a more inclusive definition of beauty. This approach not only empowers contestants but also resonates with a wider audience, encouraging societal shifts toward embracing diversity. However, the mandate also raises questions about personal autonomy and expression. While promoting natural beauty is commendable, imposing restrictions on personal choices, such as hairstyle preferences, can be contentious. Beauty, being inherently subjective, encompasses a myriad of expressions, and individuals should have the freedom to choose how they present themselves. The impact of this policy extends beyond the pageant realm, influencing perceptions of beauty across various sectors. Media representations, corporate standards, and social interactions are all arenas where the ripple effects of this shift may be observed. By setting a precedent, the Miss Cote d'Ivoire pageant contributes to a broader dialogue on representation and inclusivity. As the competition progresses, it remains to be seen how these changes will shape the future of beauty pageants in Cote d'Ivoire and potentially across the continent. The emphasis on natural beauty may inspire other organizations to reevaluate their standards, fostering a more authentic celebration of diverse aesthetics. In conclusion, the Miss Cote d'Ivoire 2025 pageant's ban on wigs, weaves, and hair extensions marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of beauty standards. By championing natural hair, the pageant not only honors cultural heritage but also challenges entrenched norms, paving the way for a more inclusive and authentic representation of beauty. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.